So as we look at the trends from the end of last year, beginning of this year, we see that productivity growth has slumped to its lowest point since 1947. That's from the Bureau of Labor Statistics. So our workforce, our sales force, is getting less productive across the board. So although there are some competing theories on why that's happening, it is a fact. We don't maybe necessarily know why, but it is a fact. And so as we look at retail sales slid in November and December. Think about that. That's the holiday selling season. That's when we're supposed to be making hay out there, right? And retail did not even hit the NRF projections for holiday sales. So at the same time that those sales were slumping out there, inventories rose across companies. So if you think about that, we've got bigger inventories. We're not selling it out there. We all know how that's negatively impacting our bottom line. So what do we predict in retail for 2023? We don't know what we don't know, right? So it is very uncertain of what's going to happen out there this year. How can we address that anyway? So that's a little bit about the retail space. Let's talk about the direct selling space. So in direct selling, we know that digitalization is still lagging behind those global platforms out there. So we've seen some progress, but those global gig platforms, they're crucial to making those people successful, right? Whether that's Uber, Lyft, VRBO, all of that. One place where my phone can tell me and help me be successful in my business. So you notice here, we are sort of addressing a dual audience. So we're talking a little about retail. We're talking a little bit to the direct selling space because that's our audience out there. If you would look at the attendee list today, I was all excited. So you see all these brands you know and love, right? You see IKEA, you see Bed Bath & Beyond, you see Petco. On the direct selling side, where Amway is here, Herbalife is here, Natura, Belcor, people like that. So think about that, folks. We've got this audience. Everybody's interested in this topic. How do we prepare to be successful in 2023?